Massive volcanoes rise above the cloud forest. At any moment, they can burst into violent life. As you travel south down the chain of the Andes, you pass a line of brooding giants. Among them are the highest active volcanoes in the world, rising to more than 6,000 meters. They're so high that even in the tropics, their summits are crowned with ice and snow. In the heart of the Andes, volcanic activity has built more than mountain peaks. It's thrust a high desert plateau 3 miles up into the sky, the Altiplano. Sulfurous steam from the world's highest geyser field rises into cold, thin air. A vision of Earth before life began. Much of the water here evaporates in huge caustic lakes. This must be one of the most extreme environments on Earth. How could anything possibly live here? Incredibly, the Altiplano salt lakes actually attract animals. Flamingos come here to breed. Their season starts with a masked courtship dance. Three kinds of flamingo nest on these caustic lakes. These ones are Andean flamingos.